Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Friday, the 26th of September. The options have expired. This is just going to be a little bit of a roundup of the stream I did today because nothing really has changed too much since yesterday. You can go watch the full stream yesterday. This is just going to be a short one of some weekend plays and what to expect going into the monthly close next week. So in terms of the data, we got the volume nodes coming in about 112.5, 113. And we do have a few orders at 108 just because there is a lot of liquidity sitting just below us at 107 as well, just underneath those wicks. Long max pain sitting at 108, so where those those big bids are, and the short max pain is sitting at 119. In terms of the long to short ratio, long still increasing, still expecting a little bit more downside in the market in general. That's it for the data. Just a really quick overview of what's happening in the market. In terms of the charts, yeah, so what I'm looking at is we've got a lot of liquidity below this wick at 107. We've got support. I'm expecting us to do a little bit more down or sideways over the weekend and maybe do one more dump and possibly take that stuff and then regain. Don't want to see any daily closes, 4-hour closes below here, like 107.5. Starts to get a bit sketchy. We've got super support below us. We're getting some bullish divergence coming in on all time frame, on all the oscillators. Retail stablecoin demands come in bullish as well. Usually, that means it's the pumps either come now or we're going to get one more, and usually we get one more if support is right below us. So I think that's going to happen. It also lines up quite well with the 12-hour liquidations as well. Sitting on the 86 here. Yeah, I mean, that's coming in just above 107 as well, so where those high amounts of liquidations are. So yeah, we've also got the 12-hour combination band coming in around September. Heavy support, loads of longs, but again, this is an area where I'm potentially going to try and catch a long. The other bit, a good weekend play, or what's looking actually quite nice right now, is Doge. So Doge is coming into its support zone where underneath the 786 right now, the 886 is coming in around 216. 2165 or whatever. We've got September around 214. Some decent liquidations sitting around September with a little gap below into 21 into August. So I do think that's an area where we could potentially stop. This combination band is going to go relatively quite straight underneath September as well. So I do think we have some good support over here to potentially pump off higher. In general, I think this looks one of the best charts. We've got really clear defined high, clear defined Stuber level, and we got some lows that we don't want to lose underneath like August basically. So yeah, I think that's looking good for the weekend. Potentially we're gonna get one more down into here, and then yeah, so try not to catch a knife too much. Other than that, the rest of the market's looking a little bit weak. I'm looking for Asta lower. I want this area to hit. Let's actually go to the hourly. That will see that a little bit better. Failing here, I want to see this hit in basically on the weekly open 1415. Other than that, AVAX short's going well, and it looks like we're just coming down to potentially try and flip previous resistance into support all the way down here. We've also got generally lots of support in between 25 and 24 with lots of liquidations sitting around 24. I'll just show you that on the chart right here. So yes, in that area. Apart from that, nothing really to say. We're probably going to get a bit of sideways or down dump towards Monday, and then we got the weekly weekly close obviously is going to be super important. We got the monthly open on Wednesday as well. So yeah, make it look really shit, take all that liquidity, and then let's pump it the fuck out of here. Anyway, that's it for the little update. I'll be watching Doge and Bitcoin over this weekend. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.